Hi, I'm Mike Regan with TranzAct's 2-Minute Warning for the week of October 13th. We want to start off this 2-minute warning with some good news, and that is that the government shutdown that we've experienced over the past couple of weeks appears to have had a minimal impact in the freight industry. Companies are still able to move goods pretty freely throughout this country and around the globe. Now, in this 2-minute warning, we want to focus on a subject that we've talked about in the past, but we cannot overemphasize, and that is the importance of the strategic planning process and incorporating your transportation and logistics issues into the strategic planning process. Now, why do we bring this up? Well, recently a company came to us and asked us to do a project on their behalf. Specifically, they said, we have a very ambitious strategic plan here. We've been very successful and we're looking at some significant sales growth over the next couple of years. But we need to make sure that we have the kind of capacity and assets that are going to be necessary in order to meet these objectives and goals. I mean, we can do all this great planning, but if we don't have carriers to deliver the freight, it's all going to come crumbling down. So they came to TranzAct, and what we did was take a look at their current carrier network. We went out and we did a survey of those carriers and asked them, where are you at today and what are your plans for the future? Can you grow with this company? The second thing we did was to identify other carriers, high quality carriers that this company may want to consider bringing into their network as their sales continue to grow. And then the third thing, which was extremely important, was to identify the kind of issues they're going to have to look at, because these issues are going to have a direct impact on their transportation and logistics costs. Let me give you a practical example. Today, a lot of companies are trying to still understand the impact of the new hours of service regulations. But looking into the future, there are some things on the horizon, things like the EOBR, or electronic onboard recorder ruling, that'll be coming out from the FMCSA, or the sleep apnea study, or the independent contractor issue. These are all important issues that can affect your supply chain, and that's why you need to consider these issues in your strategic planning process. Now, with each and every 2-minute warning, we want to remind everybody we are on your team and we're here to help. And that's why we know that with our expertise and experience, we can do a great job of working with you and your executive team to make sure that we're looking at the kind of transportation and logistics issues that you need to incorporate into your strategic planning process. So if you're interested in learning more how that would work for you, give us a call today here at TranzAct. Thanks for your time.